Next, in Drupal 8, we have CKEditor, which supplies the default WYSIWYG that Drupal uses for the text editor. It's like a bridge between the third-party CKEditor library and Drupal. Drupal 8 also comes with the configuration manager, which we looked at earlier in order to export all of our configuration into code and be able to import that configuration to override configuration that's currently in the database. I'm going to scroll down a little bit more. The contact module exists in both sides, but the contact module in Drupal 8 is significantly more powerful, as we saw in some previous videos. In Drupal 7, content translation is part of this larger group of core modules, but it's been reorganized on the Drupal 8 page to be included with the multilingual section here. In Drupal 8, we have a new custom block module. This used to be part of the block module, but has been split off into a separate module because certain sites may not need it. Drupal 8 also has the custom menu links module, which has been moved out of the menu module for the same reason as custom block. In Drupal 7, there was a dashboard module, which supplied a page where you could insert blocks in order to get a bird's eye view of different areas of the site, like new content that's been added or comments that need approval. However, this has been removed in Drupal 8 because it didn't prove to be terribly useful in Drupal 7, and the same thing can be built relatively easily using a layout designer like Panels. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. In Drupal 7, there was a field SQL storage module, and this has been moved into the default database storage in Drupal core, so it's no longer something you can toggle on and off.